Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali bersama kami di channel Indonesia Merdeka Belajar. Pada video kali ini kami akan menjelaskan cara menerjemahkan ataupun mentranslate video di YouTube dari bahasa Inggris ke dalam bahasa Indonesia ya, agar kita lebih mudah memahami. Jadi langkah pertama kita akan mencari video. Ini satu contoh video yang saya ambil. Kita klik, kemudian setelah itu kita klik ini ya, settingan atau setelan ya, setelan.
Tobii Glasses 2, the next generation wearable eye tracking tool from Tobii, designed to enable easy, precise and efficient collection of eye tracking data in a wide variety of real-world research scenarios. Today, I'm going to show you what comes with your Glasses 2 package, go through both how to set it up and make a recording, as well as an overview of the basic features of the Glasses 2 product itself.
Muncul tulisannya. Sekarang bagaimana kita ingin mengganti?
Okay, so let's look at what comes inside your box. You'll get one of these boxes with some other things inside. Remove all the packaging, take everything out of the box, put the box to the side.
Subtitle.
Inside, you'll have a carry case and a box full of accessories. First, we're going to have a look at the carry case.
Oke, berubah ya.
Let's open it up. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in here, so we'll zoom in so we can show it all to you a little bit easier. Okay, so we have the head unit itself, which comes with a clear plastic protective lens already attached. We also have a tinted lens in the case as well. This is the actual eye tracker with several sensors that track what the person wearing it is looking at. Always handle the head unit with care and keep it clean, as it is a delicate measurement instrument. We also have the recording unit, and underneath that is a HDMI cable. On the opposite side of the case, we have 4 rechargeable Type 18650 batteries, 4 different size nose pads, 3 SD memory cards, a plastic calibration card,
semoga
and a small section with a USB stick, head strap, cleaning cloth, and a cable cord. On the underside of the lid is a small section.